Welcome to GrowingCraft friends, and today we are using these beautiful rice papers and we will be creating a beautiful decoupage coaster. So yes, before we start this video, please do make sure that you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and you do not miss out any of our updates. Now meanwhile you're subscribing, you can also hear me out with what I am using. So here I'm using my decoupage glue, my Mod Podge, and I'm sticking these rice paper cutouts. Now this is an amazing collection from ITD collection. I have mentioned all the links in the video description box. You guys can check that. So using these rice papers, I am going to create some beautiful artwork and they look absolutely gorgeous and amazing. Now you can use these techniques to not only create your coasters, but you can even make your own nameplates at home. You can even do your mixed media wall art and mixed media frames and whatnot. So in this one, I really wanted to make a nice something quickie, which is quick to make and easy for gifting. So here I'm sticking my rice papers. You can even take your decoupage napkins, decoupage papers, and you can stick them really well. So after sticking all my cutouts of rice papers, I am just going to let it dry very well. Once this dries out, I'm going to literally chop off every extra part of this coaster. Here I'm using my filer. You can even use your sandpaper. Now like I mentioned earlier also, like this is an easy way of creating your coasters. So here what I'm doing is I am literally removing all the extra sides, and once this is done, your coaster looks so finished and so beautiful. So this process is super easy. Once you are done with that, here I am taking my magical tool, and what it is, it's an uh, metallic wax. I have used this on almost all my tutorials, so this is such an amazing thing for your coasters. So once this is done, seal this with your varnish and your quirky coaster with your rice papers is done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye.